Hello, what is deepfake and is it really dangerous? Let's start exploring together. Firstly, what is deepfake? There are many complex and difficult to understand technical definitions of deepfake, but it can be explained simply as follows. Deepfake is a synthetic media that uses artificial intelligence algorithms to create videos, sounds, or images that seem real, but are completely fake. To understand this concept more clearly, let me give you an example. Imagine you want to film a short video to wish your girlfriend a happy birthday tomorrow. In that video, you will play the guitar and sing a legendary song called Happy Birthday, but the problem is that you don't know how to play the guitar. However, after thinking about it for a while, you suddenly realize that you have a friend who plays the guitar very well and also sings well. You have an idea that you will shoot a clip of that friend while he is singing and playing the guitar, and then put your face on top of his face in the video. But then you realize that if it's just a photo, photoshopping your face onto someone else's face is very easy, but for a video, it's extremely difficult to merge faces. However, that was only in the past. Nowadays, everything is too easy with deepfake. It can help you do that. In simple terms, it is software combined with artificial intelligence to provide the ability to swap faces from one person to another in a video clip. The result is so realistic that almost no one can tell it is fake. Nowadays, deepfake technology is a powerful tool that can change the way we perceive and interact with the world. However, this technology is a double-edged sword that can be used to manipulate and deceive people. The use of deepfake can pose a serious threat to our privacy, security, and even our democracy. An example of the danger of deepfake is the ability to create fake news or propaganda. Imagine if a deepfake video of a political figure confessing to a crime or making provocative statements was released right before an election. This could have a significant impact on the outcome of the election, as people would believe that the video is real. Another example is the ability to commit fraud or deception. Criminals can use deepfake to impersonate someone in a phone or video call, convincing the person on the other end to provide them with sensitive information or money. Furthermore, deepfake can also damage the reputation of an individual or even put them in danger. For instance, deepfake can create fake videos of a person appearing to be involved in criminal activities, leading to false accusations or even physical harm. The use of deepfake technology is not limited to a country or group. It can be used by anyone who has access to the appropriate computer and software. In fact, deepfake can be created relatively easily and with minimal resources, which is particularly concerning. Imagine if you now hate your difficult neighbor named Tom. Then you play a prank on him by taking the face of his wife and editing it onto a clip of a couple kissing. Tom will then think that his wife is secretly kissing someone else, and he will be devastated. Would you be pleased with yourself because you made someone you hate miserable and ruined their marriage? This is exactly why deepfake poses a severe danger. However, this example is just a minor thing among countless evil things that deepfake can be abused for. In summary, although deepfake has the potential to become a useful tool in different fields and industries, it is crucial to recognize their potential for abuse. It is essential for governments, technology companies, and individuals to work together to create regulations and measures to prevent deepfake abuse. We must be alert to the dangers of deepfake and strive to use this technology for greater benefits. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.